Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
Ever tried to fix something, perhaps a cherished toy or a torn page, and the glue just wouldn't hold? That moment when two things refuse to stick, leaving you with a sense of quiet disappointment, can feel like you're missing a secret, a hidden instruction manual for the universe. Or maybe you've held a bottle of liquid glue, clear and flowing, and wondered how it could possibly transform into something so strong, so steadfast, capable of binding objects together with an almost magical grip. That confusion, that yearning for understanding, is a familiar ache, a desire for clarity when things seem to fall apart. We use glue every single day in countless ways, from crafting projects to building homes. Yet, have you ever truly stopped to think, what's really happening when two pieces become one, forever joined? We often assume it's simple, just a sticky mess, but beneath the surface, there's a whole universe of chemistry hiding in plain sight, a silent, intricate dance of molecules that orchestrates this incredible bond. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the invisible forces that govern our world, to feel that learning these complex ideas is like trying to catch mist in your hands, always just out of reach. But today, we are gently diving into that tiny, invisible world of chemistry, a realm where atoms and molecules are the master builders to reveal the profound secrets behind glue. Our journey is designed to make those confusing science lessons finally click asterisk, transforming that feeling of I don't get it into a powerful aha moment, a clear understanding that settles deep within your spirit. It's like understanding a quiet whisper that reveals a grand truth. This isn't just about glue. It's about discerning the underlying logic and principles governing the natural world, the human ingenuity that harnesses these forces, and the spirit of inquiry that compels us to ask how and why. As Bill Nye, the science guy, often reminds us with a spark in his eye, science rules. And in the case of glue, science is ruling with an invisible, super strong handshake, connecting everything around us, from the smallest craft project to the very fabric of our interconnected world. What profound lessons might we learn when we truly grasp the unseen connections that hold our world, and perhaps even ourselves, together? We've all seen glue dry, perhaps watched it transform from a liquid river into a solid bridge, but the actual why it holds often feels like a magic trick, leaving us scratching our heads in quiet bewilderment. When we hear words like adhesion and cohesion, it can feel like chemistry is speaking a secret language, one that's just out of our reach, leaving a quiet sting of intellectual inadequacy. This feeling that some knowledge is too complex, too far removed from our grasp, can really stick with us, making the grand tapestry of science seem like an impossible puzzle. Many of us might believe glue is just a sticky goo that hardens, a simple physical change. But this common distortion misses the fundamental, atomic-level forces at play, reducing a chemical marvel to something far less profound. It overlooks the intricate molecular architecture, the invisible scaffolding that truly holds things together. What if I told you that glue doesn't just stick randomly, like a lazy blob? No, it's actively reaching out, forming countless tiny, invisible bonds, sometimes even sharing electrons with the very surfaces it touches. It's like a molecular hug, an embrace so deep and intricate that it creates a bond incredibly strong, far beyond simple drying. This shatters the expectation that stickiness is just about a gooey texture. It's about a profound connection. Understanding these quiet, powerful forces means you hold a key to solving everyday sticky problems, to gently mending what feels broken. It empowers you to choose the right glue for the right material, like a wise craftsperson, knowing that each material has its own unique molecular language. Thinking about how glue interacts at a molecular level reveals the hidden stickiness in our world, from why paint adheres so faithfully to walls to how the very cells in our bodies hold held together. Imagine glue as a microscopic, invisible hero, like a tiny Spider-Man, shooting out countless invisible web lines. These are the molecular bonds to grab onto two surfaces, pulling them together not by magic, but by the fundamental, elegant laws of physics and chemistry. What deeper understanding might we unlock when we look beyond the obvious and seek the hidden connections? The glue aisle can feel overwhelming, can't it? So many types, so many promises on those labels. Super glue would glue school glue. It's a maze of options, and often, in our quiet desperation to fix something, we just grab one, hoping it works, only to feel that familiar sting of frustration when it inevitably fails for the wrong job. This mental fatigue, this feeling of being lost amidst too many choices, can quietly lead us away from truly understanding, making us feel that the science behind it is just too much effort. We often mistakenly believe that all glues work identically, just with varying strengths. This common distortion overlooks the diverse chemical strategies each type employs, from solvent evaporation to intricate chemical reactions. We simply think glue is glue, missing the fascinating, precise science behind every specialized formula and overlooking the subtle genius in their design. But the profound truth is, different glues are like specialized secret agents, each with their own unique mission and method. Some glues, like common white school glue, are tiny architects that evaporate their water, shrinking and gently pulling surfaces together as they dry, forming a solid, interlocking network. Others, like super glue, are chemical wizards. They react with the tiny bits of moisture in the air or on the surface to form new, super strong polymer chains, bonding almost instantly. And then there are glues like those on sticky notes, which are just tiny, pressure-sensitive hooks, waiting patiently for their moment to cling and release. This shatters the simplistic idea of glue drying, revealing a world of active, diverse chemical processes at play. This insight isn't just cool, it's profoundly practical. Knowing the secret life of glues doesn't just make you smarter, it helps you master repairs, transforming you into a mini materials scientist in your own home. You'll understand why specific plastic cements are perfect for building model airplanes, or why PVA glue is ideal for crafting with paper. It's about gaining real problem-solving skills, about understanding the specific language of materials. Imagine glue molecules as tiny, individual puzzle pieces. Some glues are like water-soluble puzzles that truly interlock and harden as the water disappears, while others, like to-part epoxy, are like-to-haves of a puzzle that can only come together and complete the picture when both activator pieces meet. Each has its own unique way of completing the picture, revealing an incredible chemical specificity. What quiet wisdom might we gain when we honor the unique nature of each connection? It's genuinely disheartening when a carefully glued object breaks again, isn't it? That quiet snap, that sudden separation, can leave you feeling like you failed or that the glue itself was simply bad. This frustration often makes us question our own ability to understand even simple repair tasks, fostering a limiting belief about our practical skills, leaving us with a faint sense of inadequacy. We often blame the glue itself, or perhaps our own technique, without realizing that unseen environmental factors can fundamentally sabotage those intricate molecular bonds. Things like extreme temperature, too much moisture, or even the type of stress applied can quietly undermine the strongest adhesion. This creates a distorted view of glue's true capabilities and our role in its success or failure, making the world seem less predictable than it truly is. But the astonishing truth is that glue doesn't just let go randomly, without reason. Those molecular bonds are like tiny, invisible springs. They can stretch, they can hold firm, but they have their limits. Too much heat can weaken them, causing them to lose their grip. Too much cold can make them brittle, prone to snapping, and constant pulling or twisting in one direction can fatigue them until they surrender. The weakness isn't always in the glue itself, but in the specific conditions and forces it faces, shattering the expectation that glue is a one-size-fits-all, invincible solution. This knowledge is true power, a gentle wisdom that can prevent future disappointments. You'll learn how to properly prepare surfaces, making them hospitable for those molecular hugs, and how to apply glue effectively, giving it the best chance to form strong bonds. You'll even begin to understand why certain materials, like slippery plastics, are inherently difficult to glue. This understanding transforms that feeling of disappointment into a deeper appreciation of material science and resilience, preventing future fatal mistakes in repairs. Imagine glue bonds as microscopic rock climbers. They are incredibly strong, but if the rock face the surface is dirty or oily, or if a giant waterfall excessive moisture washes over them, or if the mountain shifts violently, sudden stress, even the most skilled climber will eventually lose their grip. It's a delicate, intricate balance of forces, revealing the profound interconnectedness of everything. What hidden vulnerabilities exist in our own lives, waiting for us to understand their delicate balance? We often witness amazing natural phenomena, like a gecko effortlessly walking on a smooth wall or a droplet of water clinging perfectly to a leaf glistening in the morning sun. We tend to just accept it as nature's magic, a beautiful mystery, without ever truly connecting it to the scientific principles we might struggle with in a classroom setting. This creates a quiet disconnect, a cognitive dissonance between cool facts and what feels like hard science, leaving us feeling that some truths are just too complex to grasp. The distortion lies in separating the everyday science of glue from the amazing science of nature, missing the profound, underlying unity of molecular forces. We might think geckos have special sticky feet, a unique superpower, not realizing it's a superpowered version of the very same forces that make your glue work. We miss the elegant consistency in the universe's design, the shared language spoken by all matter. Prepare to have your mind truly amazed, to feel a deep sense of wonder. The very same intermolecular forces that make glue stick, forces like van der Waals interactions and hydrogen bonds, are the profound secret behind a gecko's incredible wall climbing ability. They are also why water forms those perfect, glistening droplets and clings so faithfully to surfaces. It's all tiny chemistry, an invisible ballet of attraction, shattering the idea that nature's wonders are somehow beyond scientific explanation. It reveals that the universe speaks a consistent, elegant language. This understanding doesn't just spark genuine curiosity, it gently shows you that the entire world is interconnected by fundamental scientific laws. It encourages you to look at nature with new, discerning eyes, transforming every observation into a mini science lesson. This awareness can even inspire biomimicry, where we learn from nature's ingenious designs and foster critical thinking about the elegance of natural engineering. If glue is a handshake, then the gecko's foot is like 1,000 tiny, perfectly aligned handshakes happening simultaneously, creating immense grip through collective, microscopic strength. It's a powerful testament that sometimes many small, gentle forces are far stronger than one big one, revealing a profound truth about connection and unity. What other hidden connections lie waiting to be discovered, binding our world in unseen ways? Learning about chemistry can sometimes feel so abstract, can't it? Like it's all happening in a textbook, far removed from the vibrant, tangible world around us. This quiet disconnect can lead to a sense of boredom, a subtle belief that understanding science only comes from rote memorization, not from truly doing or experiencing . It's a pattern of self-sabotage that can quietly lead us away from the joy of discovery, leaving us disengaged and feeling that the wonders of the universe are just not for us. The common distortion, the silent barrier, is believing that complex chemistry experiments are only for sterile labs with fancy, expensive equipment. This thought often makes us shy away from hands-on learning and practical application, reinforcing the idea that science is inaccessible only for geniuses or those with special access. It creates a quiet wall between our innate curiosity and the tools to satisfy it. But prepare to have that expectation shattered. To feel a gentle shift in your perspective, you don't need a lab coat or a ton of cash to explore the amazing world of glue chemistry. We'll show you how simple, everyday materials found right in your own home can reveal incredible scientific principles, proving that you can absolutely be a scientist right where you are. This discovery sparks a genuine, heartfelt curiosity, a realization that the universe is waiting to be explored, even in the smallest things. We will gently guide you through simple, safe experiments using common household items, demonstrating adhesion, cohesion, and how different glue types work in real time. This practical application transforms passive learning into active, joyful discovery, boosting your confidence in science and fostering powerful problem-solving skills within you. It's about building a bridge between theory and reality. Just as a chef learns by cooking and tasting, truly connecting with the ingredients, a scientist learns by experimenting and observing, truly connecting with the world's phenomena. Each experiment is like a mini mystery novel, and you are the detective uncovering the sticky, profound truths of the universe one bond at a time, making learning an enjoyable journey of revelation. What tiny, hidden truths are waiting for your gentle touch to be revealed? From those invisible molecular hugs we discovered to the secret, specialized lives of different glues, we have journeyed deep into a seemingly simple, everyday object. We've peeled back its layers, not with force, but with gentle curiosity, to reveal a breathtaking universe of chemistry hidden in plain sight. That initial confusion, that quiet frustration of not knowing, has now, hopefully, transformed into clear, satisfying knowledge, a balm for the spirit that yearns to understand. You now carry a new understanding within you. Glue isn't magic, nor is it a mysterious, unpredictable force. Instead, it is a brilliant, elegant application of fundamental scientific principles, a testament to the logic that governs our world. This insight empowers you to see the science behind even the most mundane objects, gently challenging any unconscious limiting beliefs about your own ability to learn, to grasp, to truly comprehend. It's a quiet whisper that tells you, you are capable of discerning the profound truths of the universe. This journey, however, was never just about glue. It was about opening your eyes to see the how and why in everything around you, to truly connect with the underlying logic of existence. It's about transforming everyday objects and phenomena into fascinating science lessons, fostering a critical, curious perspective that will serve you in all aspects of your life. Just as Manuel du Mundo shows us how to build amazing things with simple, accessible materials, understanding glue's chemistry helps you build your own understanding of the world, one sticky fact, one molecular bond at a time. This process inspires you to keep exploring, to keep reaching out for connection. So, as we conclude this journey into the sticky heart of chemistry, I invite you to pause and reflect. What other sticky questions do you have about the world? What other everyday mysteries are waiting for your curious gaze, for your gentle inquiry? Keep exploring, keep questioning with an open heart, and keep sticking with science, with logic, and with the spirit of inquiry. Because the more you ask, the more you discover, and the more deeply you connect with the profound, interconnected beauty of our world. Stay curious.